Want to bring damaged photos back to their original quality? Watch this video and learn how to restore old photos in Photoshop. The first step is to upload your picture. Click File, select Open, and choose an image. Drag the tab here to open the photo in full screen mode. Now let's remove the most noticeable defects. The patch tool works better for big areas, so let's pick it. Make a selection and drag it. The program will blend it in. For smaller scratches and spots, we'll be using Spot Healing Brush Tool. Before you draw over your image, make sure Content Aware is selected. Zoom in, adjust the brush size, and paint over the defect. When you're done correcting the damaged areas, you can switch to improving its quality. Go to Image and click Auto Tone, Auto Contrast, or Auto Color. The image is now restored. Let's compare the original and the edited picture. If you're dealing with a black and white photo, you can colorize it as well. Create a solid color adjustment layer and select the needed color tone with the Color Picker tool. Click on the white layer and press Ctrl+i to convert it to black and choose the soft light mode. Paint over your image using Brush tool. When you're done with the color tone, create a new adjustment layer with another color and repeat the actions. And here's the final result. Wondering if there's an easier way than photo restoration in Photoshop? Sure there is. And we'll show you how to do it right now using Photo Glory, an automatic photo restoration program. To load your image, hit Open Photo and select a file. Let's remove the white lines using the Crop tool. Drag the handles and click Apply. Photo Glory has an AI-powered colorization feature. Let's try it out. Go to the Enhancement tab and click Colorize Black and White Photo. After the program processes your picture, you can keep it as it is or tweak colors manually. Now you can remove the defects. Click Restore Old Photo to do it automatically. There are some scratches left. Let's erase them with Healing Brush. For bigger parts, you can use the Clone Stamp tool. Select it and replace damaged areas with other parts of the picture. This is it. By the way, you can edit all your photos at once. Just hit the Batch Processing button, select the changes you want to make, and click Add Photos to load the needed files. Click Open Folder to take a look at the edited pictures. Now you know how to fix old photos in Photoshop and an automatic program, Photo Glory. Download Photo Glory to restore your photos in an instant.